Hey guys, it's Scotty-Pips. Welcome to the third HelloFresh with me video. Today we're going to be making peanut butter and cherry Belgian waffles. So to start us off, this is our ingredients. The nice simple thing about HelloFresh is whenever you have a Belgian waffle recipe, they always come pre-made. So as you can see there, this one came with 4. This came with an apple, cream, fraiches. I don't know how to spell that or pronounce it. Peanut butter, honey, and last but not least, the thing to bring it all together, some cherry jam. Obviously, you could make your own waffles as well. So now we're just going to cut up the apple into very thin slices. You don't have to make them super thin. It's completely your personal preference. If you want to space out the apple and how much you use in between all of the 4 waffles, it's better to cut it thinner. So it looks like you have more slices, but it's completely your personal preference here. And then you want to open up your Belgian waffles. I only made 2 during this video. I made 1 for me and then 1 for my fiance as well. And then I have 2 extras. All right, now we're going to want to start prepping the toppings of the waffles. To start, I'm going to start with the jam. So you're going to mix the cherry jam. You're going to put it in a cup or a bowl, doesn't matter. You're going to mix that jam with the honey. And then you're going to get to stirring. But before you get to stirring, you're also going to want to add 1 teaspoon of water to this jelly mixture as well. And now you stir until it's all uniform. And you got a nice consistency without any chunks in there from the honey. All right, and now you're going to want to prep your peanut butter. So you're going to add the cream fraiches or whatever the hell it's called, and your peanut butter together. And then you're also going to include 1 tablespoon of water. You can actually add more water to it to make it a little bit more liquidy and easier to spread over your waffles. I actually ended up putting more than 1 tablespoon. So you want to mix it a little bit, but then you're not going to want to forget to add a dash of salt to there as well. And I forgot to mention this at the beginning. Make sure whatever you put your peanut butter in, you put it in a microwave safe bowl because you're going to want to wrap that in saran wrap and get it ready for the microwave. All right, so if you have pre-made Belgian waffles, you're going to want to throw them in the toaster oven. If not, you want to make your waffles at this point. This is my toaster oven air fryer combo. It does everything at once. It's really cool, but I just threw it on the toast setting. All right, while your waffles are toasting / cooking, now you're going to want to prep the peanut butter to make it a little bit more liquidy. You're going to throw it in the microwave for 18 seconds. Ciao, buongiorno, look at the peanut butter, ready to go. All right, here's now where you get artsy and you get wild. After everything's toasted and everything's ready to go, you're going to want to start putting on the peanut butter, putting on the cherry jelly, and then also adding your apples as well. Here's my cooking / artistic abilities, which is non-existent. But yeah, so you just add everything on top and make it look nice, and it'll be just as tasty. Okay, so here's the finished product here. As you can see, I made 2, 1 for me, 1 for my fiance. This is amazing breakfast and tasted just as good as it looks. And finally, if you're interested in getting HelloFresh for yourself, I am not sponsored, but I do have some free codes here. And what you can do is you can take these codes and you can get your first box for free, and you can get $15 off your second and third box once you sign up. I also have a code for Good Chop, which is a sister company to HelloFresh. And Good Chop, you get, instead of food delivered to you weekly, there's just meat delivered to you on a monthly or whatever basis you choose. So those are the codes there. Feel free to take those. If you use my codes, I will then also get money off as well. So I appreciate you helping, and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay positive.